Well, good afternoon, guys. Got all my shocks done. All greased the bearings on all 8 points, top, bottom, all new caps. So now I just gotta wait. I gotta load them in the truck and go get them nitrogen filled. Drop those off at my buddy's house. Anyway, on to the winch and pulley. Oh man, I can't even bend down. So this will be an unboxing. This is a Badlands ZXR 2500 ATV utility winch with automatic load holding brake. Comes with a free 1/2-inch shackle, permanent magnet. Motor draws less current. Idea for ATV use. Kind of sound like a Project Farm, but anyway. Single stage planetary gear system for fast line speed. Automatic load holding brake for increased safety. IP65. It's water resistant, whatever protects against water and rust. So includes 2 remotes, a wired remote and a wireless remote. Anyway, let me see how this even opens. If it opens that way or... But anyway, the plan is to throw this bad boy on my toy hauler to lift the gate. Anyway, owner's manual, and it's like, this is the wired remote. So, not sure. That's weird. It's the same connector as this wireless winch remote control thing I just bought. Anyway, so let's get into it. Looks like some sandblasted bolts. Maybe a zinc plated or what do you call that? Galvanized bolts. 2 little rubber boots for power, a strap, fair lead, whatever you want to call these things, which I don't think I'm going to be using. The remote control to enable. Press the on-off button for 3 seconds until lights up. To disable, press the on and off for 3 seconds until LED turns off. Remote control. The remote will power off automatically after 2 minutes of inactivity. Anyway, whatever. This is the circuit breaker. Gosh dang, this thing's huge. Okay. And then motor connection. I might see about bypassing this whole thing. Unless the wireless controls in here. Anyway, get the little D-ring hook, or whatever you want to call it, clevis, and then you get the spring-loaded hook, 5/16, 4-digit. Anyway, and then, sorry, my back is killing me right now, being in this position, so. Alright, let's see the winch. Yep, it's a winch. I might have to stop recording and stand up. Anyway, here is the winch. If I can get it off of these power things. So, this is what we got. It says right there, pull out and turn to free spool. Must be fully engaged to power. Pull 90 degrees. Tug on it till it's locked. Blah, blah, blah. Blee, blee, blee. Anyway, looks like it's a two bolt attachment, which might work out good for my toy hauler. Okay, I gotta get up. Oh my gosh. Oh. Anyway, yeah, so the plan is once I get these shocks reinstalled on the Yamaha, I guess I'm gonna have to do it because I got the Yamaha up in the air right now, no shocks on it. The jack did slip out for me and did the floor, whatever this coating is, but the plan is to, this linoleum I guess it is, the plan is to refloor this toy hauler anyway. But yeah, so my plan is to mount it up there, up on the top. So it's probably gonna be too dark over here. But I think I got a flashlight somewhere. Right here. So my plan is to mount it up there on the top because somewhere over the rainbow. Anyway, yeah, the plan will be to mount it basically up there somewhere, or even above that. There's a little cubby hole, and yeah, or maybe even on this side. I might do it on this side because there's power. That's 220 power right there, I believe, which obviously I'm not going to use, but I can run the power down, and my fuel pump, everything is right in this location. So I can wire into it, and then that way I can throw the switch on the side of the toy hauler. I'll show you in a second. Throw the switch on the side of the toy hauler. That'll power the winch, and then I can just open and close the door. So anyway, yeah, I got the Mickey Mouse going on. I do not like working on the Yamaha in the trailer. So anyway, got tools out, got the shocks out. Hopefully my buddy will get his done today, and then we can take him down there and yeah, and then we can get them filled. I can come home, throw them back on the Yamaha, and then get this thing off jack stands and off the cheap old thing. Yeah, so this is the switch. Sorry, I was reading a text. This is the switch for the fuel station. So you flick this switch and it turns power on. It turns power on to another switch, which I don't get, but I didn't design it. There's another switch in here, so the wiring that goes from that switch over there, I'll have that wired to the winch up into this little cubby area deal right in here. So that'll be where the winch will sit. Then the winch will basically, the cable will go down and attach. There's a I don't know, like it's one of these deals, whatever those are called, little threaded chain latch link, whatever you want to call it. So I'll run that cable down in this pocket, and then through the spring that's in there. I think you can see the spring, the coil. So I'll run it through the spring. Yeah, because this pin here is attached to this wall. There's a pin right there that goes to the top of the spring. So I'll run that cable through the spring and then attach it to that chain link, whatever that threaded link deal is called. Run it through there. Then this way, when this opens, those springs go this way like this. So it'll basically just take the tension off and drop down. Anyway, but yeah, so those are my plans. That's what I have as of right now. I'm thinking, but I got to get the Yamaha done so I can get it out of here, so I can drop the beds, lower the beds. I tried moving the Yamaha up. I guess I didn't move it up far enough so that I can drop the beds down, but it's all right. No big deal. But main reason of doing this is this door's so heavy. There's no way the wife will be able to open it without it crushing her or falling. And the kid, even though he's a big kid, even the kid has a hard time. So yeah, the plan is the winch. I basically just need, it's 2,500 pound winch. I just need it to supply or assist in about, man, I don't know, maybe 200 pounds, hopefully, depending on the geometry and whatever else. But anyway, so yeah, that's what I got. So there will be a video coming up with that. And then there'll be a video. I'm going to install this wireless winch remote control. You can use these for all kinds of different things. But anyway, I'm going to use it for the dump trailer because I don't know. I like to be able to, if you have to, you can drive the truck or pull the truck forward with the bed up and then, lower it or lift it up and then drive it and lift it up more and then pull forward and then drop it down. So you'll be able to do that from in the cab of the truck. So anyway, but that's it. That's all I got, guys. So stay tuned for this video. And yeah, it ought to be fun. I like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it in the video, but I am going to be using a pulley. I won't be using this whole apparatus, but I'll probably be using the block, not the hook. But basically, I'll bolt the block in there so it'll be able to pivot how it needs to be with a pulley. So anyway, got that at the Harbor Freight also. So, all right, guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you guys do. And if you guys need to see anything or need me to tear something apart to show you how it works, how it doesn't work, or whatever. All right, guys, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.